In the entertainment industry, there are a lot of people you can hire to help propel your career forward. Of course, there's like a social media manager, a graphics person, all kinds of people. And then of course, there's people that aren't like outright paid, but they take commission, right? Such as an agent, manager, and so forth. But out of all these people that are essentially at your disposal and you can work with that are beneficial to your career, the one must person that I urge you to have is a lawyer. Because our industry is so ever-changing and it's so nuanced. And of course, the old sort of adage of, there's sharks looking to take advantage of you. All that stuff is true. And even if they're not, as well-intentioned as people may be, there can be contracts and things that, through just simple oversight aren't necessarily in your favor. And, let's not kid ourselves. As we get into this age of AI, that's something to really look out for. And that is why having a lawyer, someone that is dedicated with your best interest in mind, is ultra important, right? So not negating the benefits of any of those other people. I think it's wonderful, to have a great team around you, but the one must is truly a lawyer because, you're always going to be dealing with contracts. And especially as even like an indie creator, there's just so much stuff to deal with, right? If you want to partner with somebody, if you're making, let's say, even a short film, the cast, the crew, the insurance, like all this stuff is legal jargon, right? It's legal paperwork and you need to know. Same thing with a musician, you go into a studio. Okay, well, what's their kind of contract look like? So that way, they're just kind of people for hire that you paid money, but ultimately you own all the rights as opposed to them, right? So all these things, are there, can happen, and things of that nature. So as I said, you want a lawyer on your side that is protecting you, looking out for your best interests. So, I know it's money, but it's a good investment in terms of your career. So I highly suggest that for you.